Have all the warning lights suddenly lit up in your 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic? In this video, I'll walk you through 4 proven fixes that Civic owners have used to solve this exact issue. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so the first one over here is to simply restart your head unit. So how do you do this? Well, it's very easy. First, turn on your car by pressing the engine start-stop button, but don't press on the brake pedal. Wait a few seconds until the touchscreen of your car powers up and everything looks normal. Then press the power button of the display and keep it pressed until you see the message, "Do you want to reboot?" Usually after keeping your finger pressed on the power button for 4 seconds, you should see it appearing. Then select yes and wait for around 5 minutes. Usually it takes 2-3 minutes, but just wait 5 minutes to make sure. After doing this, your main head unit will restart. Nothing will be deleted, don't worry about that. And the warning lights in your dash should disappear. If they're still there, don't worry, just drive your car for around 10 minutes and they will disappear once you start driving. So this was the first fix that most people use it to get rid of these lights. Then fix number 2 is to simply go ahead and disconnect and reconnect the battery. Now you don't have to reconnect both terminals. You can simply go over there where your 12-volt battery is under the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Keep it like this, disconnected for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then reconnect it. This clears out temporarily system glitches, especially after a jump start or anything else really. A few Civic drivers fix the issue with just doing this. Then for the fix number 3, it involves the 12-volt battery as well. Go ahead and check the battery terminals, the positive and the negative one. Make sure they're free of corrosion, make sure they're tight, they're clean, that everything, doesn't move around. If your battery is more than 3 or 4 years old and got jump started recently because it died, considering having it tested or replaced. Low or inconsistent voltage is one of the causes that you get those warning lights in your car. Owners in forums say that even a slight loose connection can cause the entire dashboard to light up like a Christmas tree. And now for the fix number 4, if nothing worked for you, you're still having them, well, I suggest you get it scanned. So take your car to any local AutoZone or O'Reilly, Advanced Auto Parts, Napa, stuff like that, maybe even your local car parts store, and most of them will scan your Civic for free. They'll plug in a code reader and it will give you a printout of what your Civic is trying to tell you. Even if you don't fix it right away, having those codes can help you narrow down the real issue without guessing. They're also selling some Bluetooth OBD2 scanners on Amazon. If you want to check them out, I'll put links in the description so you can do this at home. But overall, this is it. If you have any other fixes, please write them in the comments down below. Or if one of these worked, I want to know as well. So type a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day and hopefully everything is fixed.